I joined Remax a few months ago and it completely changed my life.
When I joined Remax, everything started to flow. It's going fast, so I'm quite happy with it.
Before I was just trying to sell some properties, but it was really something missing.
I like the way of going. You decide where you want to go, you decide how fast you want to go, you decide everything. So you have that freedom with Remax.
Maybe start in the morning and do some work on Saturdays and can make my appointments whenever I want.
I think what is helping me is the systems. I mean, if you follow what the systems say, the way you should do things and the way you should do contacts and the way you should work, it works.
We got a lot of training. I've never got any sort of sales training. It's really, really amazing. And I mean, all the tools we can use to sell properties, I've never seen that before.
Every month there's courses, legal, how to organize your work, how to talk with the people.
Really learned a lot in a short time, and I think it's quite motivating to work for Remax.
A lot of camaraderie, yeah. We are like a group of people creating the same thing, and we are all together with the same spirit, with the same goals.
When you join the office, you are surrounded from people with a passion and really enthusiastic. They just wanted to share with you their experience and give you the support and the cooperation you need all the time.
We laugh a lot. I mean, without fun and without, let's say, a little bit of humor and everything, you just can't do the job.
When I talk about Remax, I have credibility.
And I just present myself to the owner and say, look, I'm working with Remax. They're just going, oh, Remax, hey, great. Everybody heard about Remax. You're part of the big team. You're part of a big family. And whatever happens, you always get support.
I will never change. I'm glad to be with Remax.
I don't have to worry about my future. I see that very clear. I'm just going to be with Remax, of course.